Welcome back to the Terror with Odds on 5. We're back at the station. Finally, B87's coming with the P42 route. 40th anniversary P42. It's coming. It's just coming in down there. It's down there.
There it is.
Yep. P42. Not sure what the number is yet, but it better be a lucky one.
What's the lucky number? 13?
No. Well, my model is the number 908, and the 919 has a nice horn as well. But you might want to stand behind the yellow line. Sometimes they can come in quickly. Sometimes they come in quickly, so you might want to stand behind the line.
Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am.
I got roasted.
Papa's here because someone is getting off this train.
Oh, your tape? Sorry.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay.
That's alright. That's alright. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay.
Thank you.
Don't worry. It's okay. It's my model! Yes! 908, that's my model. Woohoo! What a lucky catch right there. Even though I didn't get a heads up. Woohoo! My model. Which means I also have to do the horn signal because this unit has a fouled horn. 908. This is awesome. My favorite P42, my model P42. Well, my real life model is like wrecked, but when I upgrade to like 150 decals, it'll still be my model. I want to do the horn signal now because it's got a nice and fouled horn. It's and all rebuilt cars. Nah, he's not gonna honk. That's all right. We'll hear it for the crossing anyway. We'll hear honk for the crossing. 908, my model, awesome. All rebuilt cars. Special cars. Special cars 3305. No special cars. 3460, 3239. What cars? This time we'll go across the street. Here goes 87. I'm just in full mode right now. Just seeing my model. 908. Well, my model itself is like a wrecked up model, but I still have the decals for this same model for P42 Canada 150. But if you think about it, 904, 907 on the Circus City Decals website, which also makes these with the decals, they have the model. What's the windshield wiper doing? Why is the windshield wiper on? It's a nice day. Looks like the guy's gonna do dedication.
Location 8861, crossing activated.
Like, what's he doing with his windshield wiper on? With his left one. Like, what's he doing with his left windshield wiper on? It's gonna be a fouled horn. That's why I did the horn signal. It's a fouled horn. Fouled horn. Oh, it's going to. That's not good. Fouled horn. Fouled horn. That's awesome. Oh, they are slow down. They're gonna stop and slow down. Let the gate go down. Not downy. Well, I guess I'm catching 84 tomorrow. We'll see you for 88.
8861, crossing deactivated.
We'll see you for 88. Alright guys, we're filming Via Rail Train 88 J Train by the looks of it, and it is a J Train this week. Every Friday it's a J Train. Well, we'll see it when it gets closer. Should be all Bud cars. Via 88 and Via 83, which, well, Via 88, and then Via 88, 83's consist was 45, which actually used to be 87 until November 5th, and 53 took that over for 87's consists every day. So here comes an F40 with likely a trailing P42. Let me guess if this F40 is 6407. Scanner was going static. It's 6407. They didn't need to activate the crossing manually, so that's why it didn't say the indication. I'm over here because it's longer today, which I think it should be. Yep, here it comes. Just sliding off of Coe Junction. Those lights are bright, but they don't look bright to me. They look really bright on the camera, though. Looks really nice right now. He's a J train. The first two cars were the regular cars, and then the rest of the cars were Via 83. We're gonna go to the front, pause. Here goes Via Rail Train number 88 with 6407 J Train. Here it goes. Horn. I think it was horn. And I just saw lightning. I saw lightning as it was coming in too. Why? P42 at the back. Video. I think the rest of the cars aren't used cars. 40th anniversary of P42 at the rear end. What do we have? 9/11 first sighting and the 40th anniversary. Thanks for watching.